yeah, Lakshmi Narayana, you can introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I am Lakshminarayan. I completed graduation in ACE Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in
Mm-hmm.
2023. And technical skills are Java with Selenium and other is manual testing. And projects are Orange HRM Hybrid Automation Framework and other is Arduino Robotic Arm with a smartphone control, which is the academic project. And hobbies are playing cricket, bodybuilding. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
So your okay, so your hobby is about bodybuilding as well, like you have told,
Yes,
like
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
means
sir.
like a wrestler type or something like right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good to hear. Like you have something hobby, something different, like right. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's good to hear. Okay. So Lakshmi Narayana, I have one question to you. Is like, what is testing?
Testing is nothing but finding the bugs and giving quality product to the customers.
Okay, okay, that's perfect. Okay, so can you please give me the difference between what is verification and validation?
Yes, sir. Verification consists of the documentation part, like SRS document, CRS document, high-level design, low-level design, and it consists of the static testing. It consists
Mm-hmm.
reviews, walkthroughs, inspections, and validation consists of the software parts, and it consists of the dynamic testing. And in dynamic testing, we have the black box testing and the white box testing. And
Okay,
white box testing consists of the unit testing, integration testing, and
okay.
black box testing consists of the user acceptance testing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So in simple words, you can say is like verifications is nothing but reviews and the inspections, right? And
Only
and and the
without.
validation, and in the validation part, we mostly covers the functional tests or the acceptance or acceptance test for the same, like right. Okay. So what are the common types of manual testing? Can you please tell me?
Types of manual testing, sir.
Yeah. What are the common types of manual testing?
Functional and the non-functional testing, sir. And in the
Okay.
functional, we have the
Okay.
smoke sanity, smoke testing
Okay.
sanity, testing, regression testing, and
Okay.
also in non-functional, we have GUI usability, compatibility,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
recovery standard, performance.
Okay. Regular and
These are
performance. Okay.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So then what is the difference between functional testing and the UAT testing?
In the functional testing, we will validate the customer's requirements, sir. And
Mm-hmm.
UAT is nothing but user acceptance testing. Where the user will test the application whether it is working as per the real time or not. He will deploy. He will use the application in his real time. So
Okay. So in simple words, you can say is like in functional testing, we usually used to verify the feature or the requirement, whether it is working as expected or not. Right.
yes,
And whether in UAT, we usually used to check whether our particular product or any our application meets the business requirements or not. Right.
yes,
That is nothing a major difference between UAT and the functional testing. Right. Okay. So, can you please tell me, like, what is the major difference between positive test cases and the negative test cases?
and in positive test cases, we will test with the valid inputs. And
Mm-hmm.
in the negative testing, we will test the application with the invalid inputs
Okay.
for
Valid,
the
valid. Yeah, yeah.
security
Please.
purpose.
For the security purpose, we are
That's
using
negative testing.
negative testing is important. Can you please give me one scenario of the negative testing?
Yes, sir. If we give the invalid credentials like username and the password, if we get a log into, it is not for the client requirements, sir. As in the banking applications, it is not secure.
Mm-hmm. What? Can
If
you
we
can you
give
please come again?
Yes, sir. If we give the invalid credentials like username and the password,
Mm-hmm.
if it is navigate to the home page, it is not as per the requirements, sir. It is not
Okay.
secure.
Okay. It is not secure. Okay. That's good. So my next question to you is like, how do you prioritize your test cases?
I mean, executing the test cases, sir, based on the
No, no, no. My question to you is like, how do you prioritize your test cases?
by using the priority keyword.
By using priority keyword. Means
Priority attribute.
can you please explain me?
Prioritize what are the test cases we want to first execute, and at the rate test annotation we will write a priority equal to, and we
No,
will give the
that is some part is different about automation. I am just asking you straightforward. How do you prioritize your test cases? Let's assume you have 100 test cases in your sheet, in Excel sheet, right? In that Excel sheet, you have to prioritize some of the test cases, like right. So how you are prioritizing your test cases? That is my question.
based on the severity and the priority.
Mm-hmm.
We, we have
Okay.
prioritized the test cases.
Okay.
High severity first we need to fix it. Then based on that we need to fix
So
the low priority.
okay. So in simple words, you can tell in such a way that it based on the risks and the importance and the impact. Risks, important and impact means in simple words, the critical functionality should be the highest one, and the minor functionality who doesn't have much impact will be the lower priority. Like right.
Yes,
Are
right.
you getting my point? So in this way you can prioritize your test cases. Okay. Okay. So can you please explain me what is boundary value analysis?
Yes, sir. In boundary value analysis, we will take input maximum and the minimum values with the
Okay.
same input and minimum value and maximum value. We will test that. We will test the
Okay.
field anything.
Okay, can you please give me one example of equivalence class partition?
Yes, sir. Suppose there is an input field from 1 to 100, and
Mm-hmm.
we will make the partition like 1 to 20, 21 to 40, and 41 to 60, 61 to 80, and 81 to 100. One of the value we will pick from that partition, sir, and we will test with that. We will check
I'm
whether it
ask
is possible. Possible.
I'm asking you about I'm asking you
Equivalent.
about equivalence class partition example.
Yes, sir. That is the example.
Can you please repeat once again?
Yes, sir. If there is a value from 1 to 100, we need to check the numbers
Mm-hmm.
for a particular field, and we will make the class partition like 1 to 20, and 21 to 40, 41 to 60, 61 to 80, and 81 to 100, and we will pick the values from the each partition like 1 to 20, any one of the value like 15, and we will test with that and
So,
each class.
okay, okay. For each class, okay. So then how come this example is different from the boundary value analysis? Can you please explain me?
Yes, sir. In boundary value, only we will take the maximum and the minimum value of the input.
Okay.
We won't take the partitioning. We won't do the partitioning.
Okay. So in equivalence in ECP in equivalence class partition, we are not passing the different inputs, or is it like that? So
We are not passing the. We will
we are
pass the
not
different.
different
We
types
will,
of data types or something.
yes, sir. I think care. I'm not sure about this. Sir.
Let's
Data
assume
types.
you have one text box, right? You have
Yes,
one
sir.
text box, and you have
Yes,
to
sir.
implement equivalence class partitioning on that, right?
Yes, sir.
So are you able to use only integer data type, or you are also able to take the float data type, character, boolean, or something
Yes,
likewise?
sir. Different data types we will take.
Like right. So
Yes,
in
sir.
equivalence class partitioning, we are also classifying as the group, that is right, but we are also trying to pass the inputs with the different data type as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So my next question to you is like, what is smoke testing and how does it differ from the sanity testing?
Yes, sir. In smoke testing, we will check the build is stable or not. As soon as we get the build from the developer, we will check whether we can install the build or basic navigation we can do. And in the sanity testing, we will test the main functionalities of the application.
Okay. Means. Means in simple words, in sanity testing, we usually used to test the verification of the specific feature or the bug fixes in a narrow scope or something like, right. And whether in the smoke testing, we usually used to test whether basic CRUD operation is working fine or not on that particular application, right.
Yes.
So this is one of the major difference between the sanity and the smoke testing. Okay. So what are the benefits of the automation testing over the manual testing? Can you please explain me that?
It's a retesting and regression testing. We can with this we can benefit, and all the passed test cases we need to automate, sir, so that manpower will be reduced.
Okay. And any more like, yeah, manpower is get reduced. That is one of the positive. And any more advantages like or something.
The advantages are that's all.
Okay. So let's assume if you have to do some repetitive work again and again,
Yes,
for that automation testing will be one of the key feature or the helping hand for you for the testing purpose, right? Let's assume there is some of the feature. Let's assume there was a some of the feature who needs some high volume of test data, high volume
yes,
of the test data, and in that high volume of the test data, specifically in that case, then if we want something in bulk, right? If we want something in bulk, then at that time automation testing plays an important key role for the same. Like, right?
okay.
Okay, okay. So my next question to you is like, what are the different types of automation tools are available in the market? Can you please tell me that?
Selenium, Playwright, Cypress.
Okay, okay, ठीक है,
These are
ठीक है, okay.
these are
So
the some.
then, so these are, can you please tell again?
These are the some of the tools, sir, automation
The,
tools.
okay, okay. So can you please tell me which is the tool which is recent came in the market? Can you please tell me that?
I think it is Selenium, sir.
Hmm?
Selenium.
Selenium is the latest one.
I think I'm not sure, but I think so.
You have taken that name of that tool as well. You
Yeah,
have
yeah,
given
sir.
right.
Yeah.
Playwright is the a recent tool which has came into the market, which is a new tool. What we can say, like, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
uh,
Okay, sir.
okay, okay. So my next question to you is like, how would you ensure through the testing of a feature when document is incomplete? Are you getting my point?
Document is incomplete.
Mm-hmm. How would you ensure the testing? How would you ensure through the testing of a feature when a document is incomplete? Document means you can take an example of SRS document or FRD is incomplete.
Okay. If we don't have any document, we will do the ad hoc testing or exploratory
Okay.
testing. So,
So how you can handle this situation? Like,
and with random inputs, I will test the application. I will test the fields, sir, based on the experience, previous experience.
okay, okay. Any more like
The documents.
document? Let's suppose you don't have FRD for any particular project, or you don't have any SRS document, right? Then
Okay, sir.
what is your approach to test that particular feature?
The based on the previous knowledge and experience only, I will test the application, so with random
Okay,
inputs.
okay, okay, okay. For this kind of situation, you should reach to your product manager first instead of directly start the testing. Instead of directly start the testing, you should reach to first your product manager, right? You should have a discussion on them what exact features they want, right? Then after that, you'll try to explore that particular feature. Okay, whether that feature is belongs to or not, like, right. And as you have used the word, you have previous knowledge of testing, but let's suppose you have an knowledge of e-commerce website domain testing, like, right, and you got the project of banking domain, then how come you will test that? You won't able to apply the e-commerce rule to the banking website, because banking website domain is something totally different, right? and and the e-commerce domain is totally different, right? So in this case, you can reach to your product manager, you can ask them the exact what information they have regarding that, and accordingly you can frame the test cases according to that, and then you'll start the testing according to that, right? Can you please share your screen? Can you please share your screen, Lakshmi Narayana? Hello,
Yes, sir.
can you please share your screen? Yeah. Okay. So you can, okay, wait. Please go to Google. Please go to Google. Open new tab, click on that plus wala. Open new tab. No, new tab. Wait. You can open in Edge browser only. Just click on that plus icon. New tab. Yeah. Go to the flipkart.com. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. You can minimize that particular, what we can say, that Google Meet, or shift it to the left hand side or something.
Okay.
Huh. Then click on this logging button. Click on this logging button. Logging. Okay. Click on logging. Click on logging. Okay. Uh, wait. You can. Okay. Wait. You can go to the. Wait. You can go to the Amazon.com. Else I hope the Flipkart has removed this functionality or what. I don't. You can go on Amazon website. You can go Amazon website. Amazon.in. I hope. Which website you have? Amazon.in. You have opened US wala website. You can minimize that na, Lakshmi Narayana. See, you can minimize this particular Google Meet one option. You can go on Amazon site now. You can go on that Amazon website site.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute.
Just simply click on that tab na, upper wala tab. Beside Meet. Just click on that. Okay. Now click on this sign in. Sign in. Account, hello, sign in, account and list. Beside India flag. Click on sign in. No, wait. Click on beside that. Click on sign in.
Sign.
Sign in. Click on that sign in. Okay. Enter your, okay. So enter your, any of the particular, then click on continue.
Mail
Click
ID.
on continue. Okay. So wait, now listen. My question to you is like, you have to test this forget password functionality, right? You have landed to your particular website. Let's assume this is your project. You are working on that, okay? And you have enter your password. You have to test the functionality of forget password. How you can test this functionality? Explain.
Yes, sir. Whenever we give the username or mail ID or phone number when we click, and if we forgot the password, when we click on the forgot password, we need to give the password as the characters need to be greater than 8 and less than 15, and the password need to be at least one special character, and it need to contain a numeric value and upper letter and the lower letters, and we can and when we are changing, we need to get the OTP from the mail or phone or to phone number.
Which functionality you are saying like?
Forgotten password, sir.
Okay,
If we click
and
on
any
forgot,
more and any more scenarios like?
and we need to get the password. If the password will not if we will not receive the password when we click on the retry, we need to get the new password to our mail or the number.
Okay. Can you write for forgot password? Can you write three negative test cases on your what we can say on your notepad? You can shift it to the right, like
Three negative
three
test
negative
cases
test cases. Three
for
negative
the
test cases for
forgot password.
forgot password functionality.
Okay, sir.
Are you sure this is negative test cases, Lakshmi Narayana?
This is positive test cases, sir. I think.
I have asked you to write the test cases for the negative test cases for the forgot password.
Okay, okay.
Have you understand my question? What I have asked you? Like?
Yes, sir. So we need to create the need to test cases for the forgotten password.
Yeah, for negative test cases I have asked.
Okay, okay, sir. sir. Thank you.
Are you sure this is right? So if anyone asks you to write the test cases for the forgot password, you can silent your phone, please. Can you silent your mobile, please?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay,
Done?
sir.
Huh.
Done, sir.
So whenever someone has asked you to like write the negative scenarios for the forgot password or any of the particular scenario, now we can focus on forgot password. Like, right, I can tell you some of the scenarios. For an example, is like key. Whenever we click on that forgot password functionality, like, right, it should redirect to the next. It should redirect to the forgot password page, which is positive one. In negative, in negative scenario is like, let's suppose if you try to give the email which is not present in their particular website, on their particular portal. Uh, let's suppose
Yes,
like you are trying to give the email of Lakshmi Narayana @ gmail.com or something, like, right, instead of your name I'm trying to give my email to them, like, right, and try to click on forgot password. Then there should not might be the case Lakshmi's email forgot password link should come to my mail account, like, right, are you getting my point? This is one of the major, what we can say, a major negative scenario, a first negative scenario for that. The second negative scenario for the Amazon website or the forgot password is like, we can say is like key, unless and until if let's suppose if you click on that particular forgot password link after 2 to 3 days, like, right, then that particular link should be get expired. It should not be the case if you have click on the forgot password email, like, right, forgot password link, and the link has come to your email. There should not be the case after you have received a mail and you have opened it after one week or second week or something, like, right, it should show the message the link should be get expired, right? Are you getting my point? So these are the some of the major negative scenarios for that. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So my next question to you is like, what is hotfix?
Hot fix. I'm not sure about, sir. This is hot fix. Not sure.
Okay. So let's assume. Okay. So basically, hotfix is nothing but, Andy. Whenever developer resolve one critical issue on your application or the function, like, right, and he has fixed that issue and he has deployed onto the particular environment. And specifically, the hotfix is nothing but the functionality which is tester has forgotten to test, like what we can say in simple words, like, right. Okay. So my next question to you is like, let's assume you are working on one particular application. Okay. The developer has fixed one critical functionality. Okay. And developer has asked you to test this particular functionality on the priority basis. Okay. But meanwhile, you are doing some of your work which is on priority and you have to deliver it to your manager in next hour, like, right,
Okay.
then how you could handle this particular situation? Can you please explain me?
Yes, sir. Uh, First of all, as the manager, I need to deliver that product in the within the 1 hour, and same time I need to test that critical bug from the developer. So first of all, I will fix the critical bug, sir. Okay,
Okay.
fix the critical bug. Then at the same time, we have the team so with the testers team.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, I will handle it to the my teammates, my peers, and we will parallelly do the both the things. So
Now, and let's assume there is no teammate is there. You are only a whole and sole person who is taking care of all the testing. So then how you can handle that?
okay, sir. For that, I will first give the Based on the urgency, sir, I will based on the
Okay,
urgency,
okay.
I will fix the bug. If it is I need to deliver the product within
Mm-hmm.
less time, we need to
So, so
fix
in
that bug.
so so in simple so in simple word, you can do in such a way that you can first means the developer should explain the what we can say like repositing the task means report a particular task and whatsoever work which you are doing on the particular on the task which you have to deliver to your client, you have to tell to your manager or you have to tell to your particular stakeholder this particular functionality might be get delay, right, and
Okay.
second one, like, right, you have to focus on the high priority and the regression test of that relevant particular of the hotfix. This is the ideal way to handle this particular situation. Are you getting
Okay,
my
sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah. Can you go to the Flipkart website or that can you open that Flipkart or Amazon website which you are open in your tab? Uh, okay, you can click on that Edge website. You can click on that Edge browser. Yeah, just wait a second. Okay, okay. So basically, you have to find the expert for that sign in button.